Hi, everyone is working so hard to get this, the house key. But what should we do after this? Many house owners don't have any idea how to start, don't know how to communicate with the contractor on their ideas, don't know how to do their interior planning, and most important, they do not have any budget to hire any consultant and designer to help them. So my idea is to create a toolkit that consists of all the floor plan with detailed dimension and interior info of the unit. You can just indicate your idea in the toolkit and send to different contractors to ask for quotation. You do not need to open up your door again and again to let different contractors to come over your unit to do the measurement for the quotation purpose. And you can just bring this to IKEA to shop for your furniture because you are not getting worried of getting any wrong size furniture that does not fit into your room. And the same goes to other suppliers, lighting supplier, curtain, wallpaper. They can easily provide you with the quotation and the better advice based on the info provided in the toolkit. So basically the idea is to translate the technical info which is norm in the building industry to be a better and effective communication tool between a layman and the building expert. So from a rough estimation with a production cost of 200 ringgit and 3-hour job, you can provide a toolkit that's beneficial and sellable to all the typical unit in the condominium. So if this idea is going to kick off, this will be the first in the region that started collecting floor plan and technical info of building database, and thus we can generate big data from that and understand more on the user needs in their interior planning of the residential. I am very passionate about this idea and I hope to see you soon. My name is Go. Thank you.